Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Excellent. Well, you've got your lunch. That means it's time to launch. This is Lunch and Launch. My name is Kate McCarthy, and I run a digital health accelerator in the digital health capital of the world, Spartanburg, South Carolina. Yes, thank you. We have 10 really wonderful teams here today who have just come through 3 months of training with us, where we have made them cry and work until 3 in the morning, but given them beer and made them happy along the way. They are so excited to be here at Health 2.0. This is an awesome stage. We're thrilled that you're here to see their pitches. I'm not going to say too much, except that we are not doing Q&A. This is going to be rapid fire style, so we're going to have them go back to back to back. However, there's no session in here after the pitches, and all the CEOs and their co-founders are going to be here. So if you want to talk to them, get to know them, please do stay and do that. So first up, we have Shamit Luhar. He is the CEO of Vevity Health. They joined the program from the Washington, D.C. area, and we're very glad they did.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. I got to tell you, I did not sleep a wink last night because I was so excited to tell everybody what we're working on. My name is Shamit Luhar, and together with Philip Rube, we're the founders of Vevity Health. And we are revolutionizing chronic disease management through personalization and convenience by reinventing the doctor-patient relationship. Diabetes care is broken. And at Vevity Health, we asked ourselves a very simple question. How can we turn this chaos into order? And it all started with a story. I want to introduce you to Kristen. This is Phil's wife. She's an elementary school teacher suffering from diabetes. And as part of her care management, she meets with her doctor to review her glucose, her nutrition, and her overall wellness. And after settling for a doctor's appointment with a different physician, she has to deal with taking half a day off from work, spending 2 to 3 hours writing lesson plans, and finding a substitute teacher. She has to drive 60 minutes to her doctor's office, spend upwards of 30 minutes at that same doctor's office waiting, but only getting 4 to 6 minutes of FaceTime. And it's virtually impossible for her to follow a personalized care management plan if she can't see the same doctor every single week. So just think about the 100 million other people suffering from diabetes that have to go through a similar experience every day. So why haven't we been able to solve this problem? Well, it's because every stakeholder wants something different. Patients like Kristen, they're looking for personalization and convenience. Organizations such as insurance companies and ACOs, they're looking for cost savings and compliance. And of course, physician practices, they want efficiency and revenue. So how are we able to accomplish all of these things? It's by bringing care directly to the patient. I want to introduce you to the world's first personalized care platform for people with chronic diseases exclusively on a mobile device. From their mobile devices, patients be connected live through video with their practitioners from anywhere. They're able to follow a personalized care management plan that's individually tailored to their unique needs as diabetes patients. They're able to see the same practitioners every single week and have real relationships with practitioners who know them. And they're even able to view blood glucose data from a wireless glucometer all in real time. And the clinical studies are out there. Clinical studies over the past 5 years prove that personalized one-on-one attention on a mobile device can improve outcomes and accelerate cost savings better than a traditional face-to-face office visit. What we're not is concierge primary care. And we're not a wellness company. We're certainly not a text messaging service between a doctor and their patient. What we are is a health information technology company that's focused on providing personalized care management. Personalized medicine will grow to $452 billion by the year 2015. And our initial focus is at $68 billion that's spent on personal diabetes care. We generate our revenue in 2 ways, by charging insurance companies, ACOs, and employer groups a fixed fee per patient. And after 1 year on our program, we decrease cost of care by an average of $7,000 per person per year. And those physician practices, they follow a subscription model. And after 1 year on our program, we can increase their revenue by an average of 10% per year. Our go-to-market is threefold. During phase 1, we'll work with physician practices to validate our technology and also achieve meaningful use. During phase 2, we expand to ACOs and hospitals to validate our care management model and also improve clinical measures. And finally, the focus of phase 3 is scale and growth with insurance companies and employer groups while maximizing value-based outcomes. And through all of this, we're generating longitudinal patient data, something that all of us here in the industry have wanted for a very, very long time. Our traction is strong. We're pleased to announce 2 great partnerships. The first with Telcare, makers of the first FDA-approved wireless glucometer, and by integrating their devices into our platform, patients never again have to input their glucose data manually. Our second partnership is with Midtown Pharmacy. We're working with them to expand their award-winning diabetes education program throughout the entire state of North Carolina. We have several pilots and clinical trials planned, including one with the Florida Department of Health for a 1,000 patient pilot and clinical trial, and we're in advanced discussions with Johns Hopkins University. And we're pleased to announce 3 great customer launches that are all occurring later this month. And those 4 that are highlighted in green will all be revenue generating starting in January 2014. And while diabetes is our initial focus, over the next 3 years, we'll be working to expand the diabetes program while focusing on other chronic diseases such as obesity, hypertension, high-risk pregnancy, and even pediatrics, while making complementary investments in platform scalability and device integration. And it's for this that we ask for an investment of $1.25 million, the majority of which will be used to accelerate our sales across the East and West Coast, allow us to start scaling our platform, integrate biometric devices, and of course expand our operations over the next 12 to 18 months. So by investing in Vita Health, you become a partner in building a company and a vision with a really great team. My co-founder and I bring more than 14 years of healthcare experience to Vita Health. Each of us worked for a health analytics startup that was bought by WellPoint, the second largest health insurer in the United States. And we've assembled a board of advisors with exemplary skills in health informatics law, strategy, analytics, and clinical medicine. And we believe that with this combination of skills and expertise, we will build the next great digital healthcare company with you and for the world. We'll have 420 million people around the world on our platform by the year 2020. So if you are as passionate as our team is about offering patients like Kristen and the millions of others suffering from chronic diseases around the world a better quality of life, join us, because we really believe we have an answer to that most fundamental question of all. What is best for the patient? Thank you so much.